Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to write a new post on Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. And of course go and enter your profile and of course create one if you don't have one. And then guys, you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. So now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, we have the new post stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, reading list, view blog. In your top right corner, you have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and write a new post on Blogger. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these steps to know how to do it in no time. Go to the left side of your screen. So go to the left side of your screen here and click on a new post. Then when you want to, of course, write something, you just need to go and type it here. You can have a lot of different options here that you can choose from. Of course, you can put in some characters. You can go and align your text, bold, whatever you want, change the everything. And then when you, of course, want to finish, you just need to go and click on preview. You can check out how it will actually look like, or you can go to the top right corner again and click on publish so that your new post has been published. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.